Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to create business account on Instagram on your Android phone. So let's jump right into it. Open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile page. This opens your main settings menu. Scroll down and tap on account type and tools. Tap on switch to professional account. Instagram will show you the benefits of professional account. Select next button. Select business when prompted. Tap on OK button in the pop-up menu. Now what type of professional account are you? Select business account. Instagram will guide you to through settings up your business profile. You can add business details, create promotions and explore tools like Insight and app. Once you complete the setup, your Instagram account is ready. You will now see a professional dashboard on your profile. And that's it. Hopefully this video helped you to fix the problem. If it worked, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.